If your bank account had a face, would it be laughing or crying in a dark corner eating instant noodles? Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just stop your wallet from being a certified drama queen. Hey there, money warriors. Welcome back to Fast Track Reads, the only channel where we turn boring finance books into fun-sized, life-saving nuggets. Today, we're diving into the legendary book Your Money or Your Life by Vicky Robin and Joe Dominguez. Because apparently, managing your money shouldn't feel like surviving a zombie apocalypse. Tip number 1, track every single rupiah, dollar, euro, whatever you use. Yes, every single one, even that just one boba tea moment. Because spoiler alert, those just ones are secretly plotting your financial downfall. Tip number 2, is it worth your life energy? Ask yourself, is what you're buying worth the time you traded for it? That new gadget might be cool, but is it worth 17 hours of soul-draining work and 3 emotional breakdowns? Tip number 3, declutter spending. Simplify your life. Cut out the junk. If it doesn't bring you joy or value, it's just expensive clutter with a monthly interest rate. Tip number 4, create a wall chart. Make a wall chart of your income versus expenses. Yep, old school style. Watching your financial progress climb is way more satisfying than binging another season of a show you forgot 2 days later. So tell me, if your money could talk, what would it say about your spending habits? Be honest or creative. Drop your answer in the comments. I might just roast it lovingly. And hey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun-sized wisdom that won't put you to sleep like your finance class in high school. Remember, it's not how much you earn, it's how much life you get out of every dollar. See you in the next video, where we make money talk and behave.